Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified.
Imagine win some. Me beg the boy put pepper in the pot and the boy cook the dog.
Granny tell me if you put pepper in the pot and now me I get blame.
Me just put the pot on the fire for cook some soup and me I go down at the shop. Give your eye on it for me. Me soon come back.
Alright, Grandma.
When the pot start boil up, put pepper in it for me.
What? Granny, you mad?
What do you boy? What you mean if me mad?
Where you want me put pepper in the pot for?
Little boy, it's a long time me I cook before your mother born, so don't question me cooking. I same way me hear your backchat teacher at school.
You sure you want me put pepper in the pot, Grandma?
Afraid to eat pepper boy. Big boy like you must learn to eat spicy food. Do what me say before me bust your ass in here.
Alright, Grandma.
Alex, I hope you put pepper in the pot, you know.
Yes, Grandma. And pepper boil till him teeth keen.
No, me not beat him yet. Me waiting to regain my composure and then me bust him ass. And you gonna beat him too when you come home? Good, him for learn sense.
Granny and Mommy are gonna beat me. But who are gonna beat Granny if you tell me if you do it? Life not fair. Betty say she go call Daddy and make him beat me too when him come home.
Yes, George.
Same thing me say?
Me know you have pepper from him, my puppy. Alright, we will have this trap ready, but take time with him, cause him not too right it.
Me nah stay and take so much beating.
Alex! Wait! How the boy gone?
Taxi! Quick, carry me to the airport.
Little boy, where you alone I got airport go do?
Me a run away from home and go England cause my parents want beat me.
So who you know in England? And you have visa?
Me no know nobody and me never know say you have to have visa to go England.
But if you don't know nobody, who you would have stay with when you go England?
Arsenal Football Club cause me watch them on TV all the while.
Arsenal are one big club, but why would you want to stay with them?
Because them no beat nobody.